Nobody talks about how much worse pick-me boys are than pick-me girls. Cause I hear people all the time roast girls for being pick-me's, but boys are way worse. Cause I went to school with a pick-me guy and we sat next to each other in class. But there was also 2 other girls at our table and he would always try flirting with them. And they didn't really seem interested in him, but this kid was bold. So he would straight up just be like, do any of you guys want to give me your number? And when they would politely decline, he would be like, yeah, I get it. I'm probably just too ugly, huh? But the very worst pick-me thing he ever did was when he brought a book to school and during all of lunch, he looked like he was reading it. So I asked him what the book was about and he said he didn't know. He just pretended to read the book hoping that girls would notice him. I respect it though. Game is game.